speed test and the brake test. This is my testing hill. I'm more than sure it will be hard. No, it's not. Whoa, yes. Yeah. Hello and welcome to my channel, and today test I will show you something completely different. This is the e-bike from Bodywel T16 Pro. It's the coolest bike what I tested so far. The bike arrives in a very small box. It is so light that you can easily lift it out. The bike comes almost fully assembled. You only need to install saddle, front wheel, mudguard and LED light at the front. All the necessary tools and the charger are included in the kit. The whole process took me 15 minutes. If you are without any experience, don't worry, it should take you no more than 30 minutes. As you can see, this is the smaller actually and coolest bike what I tested so far. You've got very small 14 inches. You've got cool color of the bike. You've got few different colors and all of them looks absolutely great. So you've got huge screen, as you notice. It's not very visible, but you've got everything actually what you need. Okay, so all information, you've got 3 gears of electric support and you don't have any Shimano gears, all right? So you've got a place for your bottle, and as you notice, this bike doesn't have the batteries like separate or battery which you can remove from the bike. The battery is actually installed inside the bike, somewhere here. Okay, I believe in this part. So you've got the disc brake, and unfortunately only mechanics brakes. That's not hydraulic, so that's you need to spend a little bit more time just to adjust the brakes. Okay, so keep in mind, just because you cannot remove the battery from the bike, you need to charge from this socket, and I'm not recommending using the bike on the water, actually on the rain. Why? First of all, as you can see, this socket is here and it's covered just by the plastic. That's supposed to be rubber, in my opinion anyway. Okay, you've got the mudguards, you've got the backlight, front light. Okay, let me jump on the bike and let's talk about the riding. So I'm 193 centimeter tall, and that's how I looks like on the bike. As you notice, there is no problem at all to sit on the bike and also riding on the bike. Right, I'm on the place when I usually do my speed test and the brake test, and let's see how fast is this bike and after how many meters this bike will stop from the speed of 14 or 15 miles per hour. Okay, let me jump on the bike and let's go on the road. Okay, number 3 of electric support, and let's go. I believe in us is now. Okay, 15, still 15. Let me go to the white line on the road and let's push the brakes. Let's measure from the white line. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Let's say a little bit over 3 meters. It's not that bad, but trust me, if you're gonna adjust the brakes a bit better, you can do much better result. The challenge. This is my testing hill. 560 meters long and 56 meters high. Let's see if the bike can manage. Honestly, I'm not sure, but I will try my best. At the moment it's fine. It's actually funny. Always laughing, always smile on my face, because I know that will be problem up the hill. That will be problem on the last part of the hill. I'm more than sure. At the moment it's fine, but honestly, on this kind of hill, I can say it's not that easy. It's not that easy. Definitely it's more slower than in other bikes, but apart of that, it's fine. This part is easy. The first part was a little bit harder. Here is mostly flat. Okay, we are always up the hill, but the problem will be after those trees on the left side. And I can say right now that will be hard, but let's try, guys. I can feel that. Whew, I'm using lots of power of my leg. The engine doesn't want to support me enough, but there is something maybe like 50 meters, and I will try my best to go there. I know my position is not easy because I can feel like the front wheel want to go a little bit up, actually losing connection with the road, but I manage. I'm here. Whew. That was really hard. Now I can feel on the flat road how easy it is to ride the bike on this kind of road, but on the huge hill will cost you lots of power from your body. But anyway, I manage, and that's the most important things on that test. Let's go on my second testing hill. Oh, that will be hard. I'm more than sure it will be hard. No, I should go a bit faster, then everything will be alright. But in this case, that's not enough power. But anyway, the bike is not for this kind of terrain. It's for normal road like this one. Let me try once again. Yes, I managed. Woo! That was great. That was good. I'm proud of myself. In my age, with my health problems. So first of all, at the moment the screen is off, but that's great because as you can see, even on the flat road, I can ride the bike without any problem, and that's actually great because you can use the bike without any electric support. But if you wish to ride a little bit faster, you've got 3 modes. Gear number 1, this is the little support. When you're riding a bit faster, 7 miles per hour, gear number 1, you actually need to use a bit power from your leg, but that's great. Everything is changed when you choose the electric support number 2. Now the cadence sensor works absolutely great, and honestly I wish to get some Shimano gears just because it's too light. You don't need to use any power of your leg, you need to just cycle, just pedaling, I will call it, and you're just riding straight away. But be careful, because if you're gonna cycle, or like me now, faster, that will not increase your speed. So it's better to ride pedaling slower and enjoy the ride. You need to use actually a bit more power up the road, and then you're just riding again how you did before. We don't have boost here, but anyway, we don't need a boost because we got quite light bike, which is something like 25 kilos, so it's actually nothing. Look at that, guys. I'm riding now 13 miles per hour. I feel that's quite fast, and honestly I don't need to use any power of my leg to go or to ride up the hill, which is absolutely great because this bike can be used day by day, even for the people, sorry to say that, even for lazy people, okay, which doesn't like to use any power of the muscle. You can just sit on the bike, enjoy the ride, and just enjoy the day. And the speed actually increased straight away, and I really like it. Let's go on that grass. Let's see if we can do it. Yeah, we can do it. Nice and easy. Nice and easy. And let me do one more test for you. And I wish to go a little bit faster. I really wish to go a little bit faster, but unfortunately I can't do it on the flat terrain. It's maximum 14 miles per hour. Okay, just because I'm sitting quite high, I'm more than sure the front wheel will be lose connection with the surface on this kind of road, but let's try to do it. The number 3 of electric support, and let's go. No, it's not. Whoa, whoa, oh, yes, a bit. Try to do it once again on the lower gear number 1, and let's do it. It's harder, okay, but I'm not losing connection. Let's go number 2. And now it's much easier. Woo! My range test was quite interesting. Riding the bike at second gear of electric support and an average speed of 14 miles per hour, with my weight of 105 kilograms and with outside temperature of 22 degrees, the bike delivered a real world range of around 18 miles. That means 29 kilometers from the compact 360 watt-hour battery. It's bad? I don't think so. Just let's take a look at the bike from completely other way. This bike is the bike which you can use for short trip to your work, for fun, and also for relax. It is the faster e-bike? No. Does it have a biggest battery? No, but after several days of testing I found myself looking for an excuse to ride it again. Sometimes the best product aren't the ones with the biggest number on the spec sheet, but this is the bike which put the smile on your face every time you use it. Alright guys, and that's all about this little toy, and I would say that's small toy for big boys. If you are interested to buy this bike, please use my discount code and the link which is below this video. Please let me know what you think about this bike, about my review, and as usual, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, take care of yourself and in this case of your two wheels, and see you next time.